olive oil from Palestine, tomatoes, garlic, feta cheese, more olive oil, sumac, and zaatar makes a great base for my version of this insanely popular TikTok phenomenon, feta cheese pasta. Once the feta cheese melts, pasta is added together with olives and parsley. This is super easy and very, very delicious. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, I'm going to be trying the viral TikTok recipe for feta cheese pasta. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my own cravings twist. Let's see how it turns out. Before I go any further, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with some olive oil in my cast iron pan. You can use any oven-proof dish, but the cast iron will help roast these tomatoes faster. This is a special olive oil I got from a fundraiser from Palestine, but you can use any other type of olive oil. I'm going to add 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm now going to add a 300-gram block of feta cheese. I'm going to drizzle this with more olive oil, and I'm going to add a little cravings touch. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sumac, followed by 1 teaspoon of zaatar. I'm going to add a drizzle of oil over the sumac and the zaatar, and it's now ready for the oven. I'm going to cook this in my preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes till the tomatoes burst. I'm going to squish the feta with the back of my spoon. I'm going to add 200 grams of pasta. This is a fancy fusilli and it was 200 grams before cooking it according to the package instructions. I'm now going to add half a cup of olives and roasted red pepper. I've cut these up so you can get a little bit with every bite. And finally, I'm going to add half a cup of parsley and mix. I like a drier pasta. If you want it to be more creamy, add a bit less pasta. This is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. Well, this pasta turned out pretty damn amazing. I'm not surprised. It has some great ingredients and its simplicity is king. If you love this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about it. And also share this video with your family and friends so they can try it as well. Be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.